Alright, so good news. The sinus pressure headache that I had on the left side here from yesterday that prevented me from practicing is completely gone now. I have no pain anymore. It doesn't hurt to touch this like area of my skull anymore. So that's really positive. It means that I can practice a bit more. I'm not gonna do a full run through today, but I'll do the 6/8 section to the end.